Welcome to LinesToGo installation videos. Today we will be removing and installing fuel tank lines on a 2007 Chevrolet Silverado 2500 HD with LinesToGo part number 5069-01. While this particular installation is on a 2007 Chevrolet Silverado, this set of lines will also work on the following year, make, and models as shown on your screen now. LinesToGo lines are made using original equipment end forms and fittings that are CNC bent for an easy and precise installation. We have also upgraded to stainless steel braided Teflon hoses for rust protection and to prevent surface fouling. These have an unlimited shelf life and anti-static PTFE liner. This set of LinesToGo lines are made from 304L stainless steel for rust resistance that exceeds OEM standards. Tech tip: disconnect the battery before working on a vehicle to reduce the risk of shorting out the battery on tools or lines. LinesToGo lines are made with a sectional design for easier installation. We also use color-coded unions on our sectioned lines. Just match the colors of the connections. Tools required are a 7mm, 10mm, 13mm, and 15mm sockets and ratchet, 10mm wrench, a flat blade screwdriver, disconnect tools part number 3145-01, and 5230-01, a floor jack and jack stands, and a drain pan. The level of difficulty for this installation is considered to be easy. Start by disconnecting both batteries using a 10mm socket. To begin, release the two quick connect fittings on the fuel cooler using the 3/8 end of the LinesToGo disconnect tool part number 5230-01. Using a 13mm socket, remove the bolt at the bottom of the fuel cooler furthest from the frame, and also remove the bolt located at the frame. Remove the fuel cooler from the vehicle. Using a 3/8 inch disconnect tool, remove the return line quick connect fitting located in front of the fuel tank. You can now remove the line that goes between the return line on the fuel tank and the outlet of the fuel cooler. Disconnect the plastic brackets from the line and remove it from the vehicle. Using the 1/2 inch LinesToGo disconnect tool, part number 3145-01, remove the feed line quick connect fitting located in front of the fuel tank. Using a 7mm socket, remove the 3 bolts securing the filler neck. Using a 10mm wrench, remove the bolt holding the ground strap. Using a flat screwdriver, open the plastic clip holding the rear differential vent tube. Support the fuel tank and use a 15mm socket to remove the 2 bolts securing the fuel tank straps and remove the straps from the vehicle. Lower the fuel tank while guiding the filler neck over the frame. Once the tank is low enough, remove the electrical connector on the sending unit. A pick or flat screwdriver can be used to remove the safety clip on the electrical connector. Continue to lower the fuel tank out of the way. Next, remove the feed line from the sending unit using a 1/2 inch quick disconnect tool. Repeat the process on the return line using a 3/8 inch disconnect tool. To install your new LinesToGo stainless steel braided fuel line, firmly push it onto the line. You will be able to feel it click when it fully seats. Pull back slightly to make sure the line is fully secured. Raise the fuel tank into place, making sure to feed the filler neck over the frame. Once the tank is high enough, connect the electrical connector. Continue to raise the tank into position. Install the 2 fuel tank straps and tighten using a 15mm socket. Using a 10mm wrench, replace the ground strap. Using a 7mm socket, replace the 3 screws securing the filler neck. Install the 2 quick connect fittings located at the front of the tank. Position the fuel cooler into place and secure it using a 13mm socket to tighten the 2 bolts. Install the 2 quick connect fittings at the top of the fuel cooler. On the passenger side of the engine, locate the fuel filter. To bleed the air out of the fuel system, use a flat blade screwdriver to loosen the plastic bleeder screw and pump the primer bulb until you stop seeing bubbles and there is a steady flow of fuel. Then tighten the bleeder screw, being careful not to strip it as it is only plastic. Use a 10mm socket to reconnect both batteries. This concludes the installation of fuel tank lines on a 2007 Chevrolet Silverado 2500 HD with LinesToGo part number 5069-01. Thank you so much for watching. If you have any questions or would like to purchase the lines you saw today, please call us at 1-855-781-5992. Email us at info@linestogo.com or check out our website link below. And don't forget to take advantage of our free 2-day shipping. Don't forget to hit like and subscribe button below, and we will see you on our next video.